What's up everyone, welcome back to Tots Garage. Today we are going to Euroclinic toy drive. Unfortunately, due to the rain, the car show is cancelled, but we are still able to drop off the toys and grab a couple coffees. So without further ado, let's go check it out. And of course guys, we have a new member at Tots Garage. I just brought this cheapest Range Rover you can get in the entire United States. So now we have two British cars. I really don't know what to do, but this car will be my daily for sure. I actually bought it from a VP at Google, so this car has been taken care of. Still pretty decent interior, I would say. Everything's leather, automatic controls, heated seats, even the steering wheel is heated, so yeah, pretty nice. Alright, here we have the cheapest Range Rover. Of course, I washed the car, I polished some part of the paint, and also wrapped the roof with carbon fiber, so as you can see, it's not perfect. But overall, it's in a pretty decent working condition. Let's unlock the car. Everything in this car is just packed, you know. You got the Logic 7. All the seats are controlled by the computer. You got everything actually on the dashboard works just fine. There's not a pixelized heated steering wheel. You got your old school navigation, all the off-roading controls, adaptive air suspension, differential settings. And honestly, the engine works fine. It's very smooth. Let's start it right up from here. It got roughly about 160,000 miles. There we go. It has a BMW 4.4 liter V8, about 280 horsepower, 5-speed automatic transmission. Transmission has been serviced, transfer case has been serviced, engine has been serviced, new brake pads, we have new spark plugs, new valve cover gasket, new coolant system. So yeah, this car so far works like charm. Although this system is pretty old school, and when you click this, it actually pops up not a CD reader, but a cassette tape. Yeah, it is what it is. I don't have any cassette tape, but the system looks like it's from 90s computer. I mean, maybe even from 80s computer, but overall, everything works. I think that's the most important thing. And we do have leather seats. The rear seats are also heated. Overall, pretty nice headliners, so no complaints there. This will definitely be my daily, and yeah, hopefully it will last this way. The car actually idles much smoother than my Maserati and Aston Martin and even the Corvette, so I'm a little bit surprised. This car is basically a BMW X5 with a Range Rover body. According to Car Wizard, this is not, you should not buy this car, and you know, he listed a bunch of reasons why not, but I think if you find a clean one, especially mechanically speaking, you know, you should get it. I mean, there's no reason why not get the cheapest Range Rover versus buying a Toyota Camry. So yeah, so this car will be my daily. I mean, I have purchased so many sports cars before, and never really SUVs. And I was wondering a couple of days ago, you know what? Why not try it? So yeah, so I got this Range Rover, and so far I'm pretty happy about it. And we'll see what's gonna happen to this car. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna park this car inside and take out the Aston Martin. But drop a comment below how much I got this car. If you guess correctly, there'll be a special gift for you. But anyway, guys, yeah, this car is beautiful. So everything works, as I said. We're gonna move this car underground to protect the paint. Oh my goodness, the car is so smooth, and the acceleration, you know, it feels like the car is definitely, it feels like at least 300 to 400 horsepower range. It does not feel like a car has 280 horsepower, you know. The car feels very strong, and I'm really happy with the acceleration. And this car also fitted with a very expensive towing package. Alright guys, the lighting is not good, so I'm gonna stop here. Alright guys, we are back inside the Aston Martin. Let's start it up with the crystal key. Put in sport mode. Damn, I just love the interior of this car. It might look very difficult to use, but in fact it's very easy to walk around all the system. Alright guys, I just brought a bunch of toys. We have the car wash toy, a bunch of them for the toy drive, and obviously plenty of pieces for everyone. So yeah, great success guys. Alright guys, now before I head to the Bay Euro's toy drive, I'm actually going to drop off some toys at Euro Clinic, aka Dub Clinic. They are hosting their own toy drive, but unfortunately because of the weather condition, it has become a drop-off only location where you drop it off, grab a coffee, and you go. Now, it's pretty close to my apartment, so we're gonna go check it out. I actually let them service my Maserati and my V10 M6 before. They used to service and specialize in VW and Audi cars. They're also part of Audi Gruppe of Silicon Valley. But now they changed their name from Dub Clinic to Euro Clinic. And now they are open to all makes and models. So if you have R8, you have a Lamborghini, Gallardo, or if you have a Ford, you know, a Camaro, they are able to service them at all. So yeah, we're gonna go drop up the toys, then head to Bay Euro's toy drive. So far, not too bad. Let's hope for the best. Yeah, let's get on the way and drop up the toys. Alright guys, we made it here. Sorry about the wind noises. I just donated my toys, got some raffle tickets, and check it out. We have E46 M3. We have seen this car so many times in the past. I'm pretty much sure we'll see him again tomorrow at the Bay Euro's toy drive. We have a beautiful M5 and my favorite Mark 1 generation Audi TT. Backed it, lowered. Man, this thing is insane, guys. I think it belongs to one of the technicians here at Euro Clinic. And we also have a beautiful Audi here. It is really rare to see a blue S6. Yeah, I mean, we have seen a lot of RS3, S4, but S6, actually my first time seeing this generation. Beautiful. And of course we have a German wagon here. But most importantly, we have, again, my favorite generation Audi here. Looks like an A4. I really don't know what car this is. I mean, is this a Korean car, or drop a comment below. I've never seen a car like this. Looks like Genesis or some sort. And we also have, I believe, it might be an AMG, but I'm not sure. It might not be an AMG. Check out the wheels. Love the GDM wheels on German car. It might be an AMG, but I'm not sure. Could be a E63, you guys think? Judging from the brake, it might be. Oh, and we have the Essex just opened up. Check it out, guys. Look at what I found here. I think it might be just the A7 because it has an S-Line badge on the side, but it could be an S7 or RS7, and somehow the owner put the S-Line badge on the side. I'm not really sure. It could be just a supercharged sign. It's too far to see, but really nice wheels, backed, nice color, love it. It might just be an RS7, I think. And of course we have a red 4 Series here. It's raining, but everyone's out here collecting toys and drinking coffee. And we also have all friends Audi here from AGSV. Looks like we have another Audi across the street. We also have the RS5 here. Nice wheels. We also have the S5 V8, just like the one I had before. 4.2 liter. Alright guys, the RS5 is leaving. It sounds so good, the exhaust, even from here. And we have more people leaving as well. We also have the A4 on the other side. Beautiful car. Great. Also have the A4 leaving, and that's pretty much it. It starts to rain really hard, so I guess time for us to leave as well. Alright guys, we are back inside the car. I'm going to leave because my car is about to get flooded with water. The rainwater outside. Half of the car is already a little bit under the water. So, God. It's so cold today, but really nice seeing all my friends here at the Euro Clinic, and they are, in my opinion, the best VW and Audi shop here in the Bay Area. They are next to the Beamer shop and a couple other specialized shops around the area. And if you need your VW vehicles, Porsches, Audi, VW cars, whether it's customization, engine tuning, or just simply repairing your oil leaks or suspension upgrades, definitely come here, Euro Clinic. I'll drop their information in the description below. They are, I believe, the best here in the Bay Area. When I had my TT, when I had my Audi TT Mark II, it's a 2-liter turbo engine. I had an oil leak from the vacuum pump, and I went to several other shops, including the dealership. They told me it's going to be at least $1,000 to fix it. Then I went to DUP Clinic. Back in the days, it was called DUP Clinic, and they told me that they inspect the vacuum pump, and they said the pump is working fine. The only thing leaking is because of a bad gasket. So all we need to do is to change the $10 gasket, and that's it. It ended up like $100, labor and parts included. So I'm so happy about the result. So definitely come here. They're very honest, and they're very experienced with the you know, Audi cars, and they will give you the best price here in Bay Area as well. Anyway guys, I did got some raffle tickets. Not sure if I'm going to win anything, but stay tuned for that. And just like that, today's video is over, and I hope you guys stay safe in the stormy weather. I'll be filming tomorrow as well at Bay Euro's toy drive. If you can make it, make sure to check out the video, and remember to comment, subscribe, and hit the like buttons. Just like that. I'll see you guys very soon. Cheers.